How to get your private key on MetaMask account in 2024. If you want to get your private key in the MetaMask account, it's actually quite simple. Now, the process on both the mobile and desktop is pretty much the same. Here, I will be demonstrating to you on my desktop, as you can see. Now, once you're on the web version of MetaMask, you are logged into an account of which you want to view a private key. Well, that's very simple. First of all, from the top of the drop-down menu, select the appropriate account. Then just click on three dots option next to the account of which you want to view the private key. There you'll find an option that says account details. So all you have to do is click on the account details button. Now right here you'll see a couple of addresses here, but since we want to view the private key, you want to just click on the show private key button at the bottom. As you do that, it will ask you to go ahead and then make sure to enter your password. There's also a warning that says to never disclose this key. Anyone with your private keys can steal any assets held in your account, by the way. So just make sure to go ahead and then enter your password, click the confirm, and your key will be revealed to you. That's all it takes for you to view and get your MetaMask account's private key. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.